Hello students, right now we are going to discuss about foreign trade and integrations of markets. So dear students, with this globalization process, the foreign trade is possible and the integrations of markets which are happening globally. And when the foreign trade and integrations of markets which are happening in the nations, it is benefiting different countries more and more here. Because when the mutual investments and trade activities happens, it develops the nations, progress the nations economically, socially, and it created a better opportunities in the society. So dear students, as we know that what is called foreign trade? Foreign trade, it is a trade between two different countries in the world, which is called the international trade here. So when the international trades are happening, it is causing the import activities as well as the export activities. With the import activities and export activities, the goods which are shared with each other and the foreign exchange happens, the foreign investments happens, the trade activities happens, and due to that it used to maximize more profits for the different countries. And when the developments are happening with this foreign trade and foreign investments, the country used to becomes very developed economically as well as socially. So dear children, as we know that the foreign trade which helps the integrations of the markets in the following ways. As we know that when the foreign trade happens, it used to benefits the nations in many ways. And what are the benefits? Let us discuss one by one. So when the foreign trade and foreign investment happens, it used to facilitate the movement of goods as well as the services between different kind of countries. And when the goods and services which are moved between different countries, it used to benefit a lot. It used to benefit more and more to the multinational companies, and at the same time the nations are greatly developed here. And the second factors of these integrations of market which helps the process of causing movement between different peoples. And when the movements are happening between different peoples, the ideas, the informations, the using of technologies, all these are used to have shared each other. And when all these movements are happening, it used to develop the society, it used to develop the community, develop the nations. And at the same time, these integrations of this foreign trade, it gives more opportunity to the producers to reach their products beyond the local markets, beyond the international markets, and it causes to have more profits in the society. As we see that, my dear children, when the small producers are having the partnership with the large producers, during that time the small producer goods which are going to reach the other nations, and when their goods are reaching to other nations with a good quality of brand, during that time the small producers as well as the large producers, they are equally benefited in the society. At the same time, when the integrations of markets happens in the society, the consumers, they used to have variety choice of goods. That means the buyers, they get the good choice of goods within a very lower rate. That means all the company, they produce high quality of products and they used to spread it in the market, and due to that more profits which are happening to different producers. And at the same time, when different producers are coming to do these trade activities, during that time it is increasing competitions between the producers. That is why always the good quality of products which comes into being. So my dear children, it is having the negative points as well as the positive factor. The positive factors, it is increasing the good quality of products in the society. But sometimes when the competitions are happening in the society, during that time, the small producers, they may not be able to have better competitions with the multinational companies. Due to that, their business may be badly hindered here. And overall productions of goods which are available in the markets with a very lower rate. So my dear children, when the foreign trade and foreign investment happens, all these benefits which are happening in our nations. So thus we understood that the foreign trade, it results the connecting of markets. It is causing to have the integrations of markets, and when the integrations are happening, all these benefits which are happening to us. So my dear children, just take the examples of Chinese toys. The Chinese toys with a good quality, it is available in Indian society with a very lower rate. So how it is been possible? It is possible with the integrations of markets. The China products, the foreign products, all these are available in Indian markets with a very good rates, with a very lower rate. And as we understood that, and how it is been possible? It is possible only with the process of integrations of markets. It is possible only with the connections of different countries by doing foreign trade and foreign investment. So dear students, as we understood that the foreign trade and foreign investment, it is causing to have the integrations of markets, and when the markets are integrated to each other, it is causing more benefits in the society. So dear students, as we understood that this foreign trade as well as the foreign investment, it is helping the nations economically, socially, and developing the nations to reach into a better positions. Thank you so much for listening to me.